Hello, and welcome back to a new game devlog of my Planet Astronaut Collect and Building thingy game. In this week's episode, which kinda implies I have to do this every week now, I'm going to show you what I've created. But first things first, the boring stuff. In the last couple of days, I spent most of the time rewriting the code base, so the further development is easier, more convenient, and not that much of mom's spaghetti code. This helps me to create new content much quicker, like items and resources. Also, I fixed the bugs that occurred, for example that the tile hovering effect was enabled on all 6 sides of the cube, or weird walking behavior that the character used the current tile position for A-star pathfinding instead of its real position, which led to the case that the character walked first back to the current tile position and then continued the correct path. Alright, enough of the boring stuff. Now it's time for the real fun. Lasers! I created a laser using a shader graph and gave it a cool look and then sent my astronaut to the World Destruction Tour. Okay, to be honest, this really does not look good. But I think it's okay, because we have a super minimal scope, we just want to implement some base functionalities, and to be honest, for this purpose it's totally fine. Yeah, and as you can see, with this laser you can gather resources. I also built a little UI that shows you which resource you gathered right here. So it pops up over the astronaut and then fades away after half a second. I also modeled a really ugly laser model with Magica Voxel, just that the astronaut has anything in its hand, and it can be visualized quite well. The laser is there to gather resources, but of course in the future there will be some resources that this red laser cannot gather. So there will be some kind of upgrade system for the laser, so for example the green laser can gather some more rare minerals. But for now it's okay to use the default laser. So the next steps are that we have to implement some kind of inventory that we can use for our building system. Yeah, and to be honest, that's quite it. I didn't manage to add much more. If I'm releasing these videos weekly, then I think a small scope of improvement is totally okay. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, bye!